Hello Starlights and welcome back to a new character reveal. If you're new here, I'm Eclipse the Elf and I love to create nature-based fantasy characters. In this video I'll be discussing the mushrooms called Mycena chlorophyos, and they are specifically bioluminescent, and this is because they have light-emitting chemicals within them called luciferins. By using their speciality, which is glowing in the dark, they attract insects, and that helps them to actually spread their spores throughout any forest that they're in, and they're typically found in Asia, Australia and Brazil. But in my story they will be called Glow and Glisten, who are twin brothers with a flair for fashion. They are known to be gossips about all of the scandals between the townsfolk in various areas. These characters in my story have the role of being the forest guides not only for lost townsfolk, but also to be mysterious and spread their sense of fashion through their attractiveness. They want to feel as though they're the trendsetters and become the most popular mushroom folk in the forest. For their style, I decided to give them baggy clothing, which is common throughout the rest of the townsfolk, but I'll leave it to the very end because they are part of the area of the world which I haven't discussed yet. So baggy clothing, and also the scarves are usually very long for the area that they're in. And I decided to give them bright yellow scarves, which is incredibly uncommon for where they actually are in the story. And they do this to stand out, of course, which gets people very interested. It's very scandalous, uncommon, and other people will be like, oh my goodness, they shouldn't be wearing that, but also I like their style, so they gather a little bit of a community because of that. They do have a sibling who doesn't glow, who I've spoken about in a few of my videos, and that is Pix, who is also Pixie's parasol, the little blue mushroom girl. And because she doesn't glow like them, they actually pick on her and tease her a lot, and they've kind of alienated her because of that. So she lives in a different part of the forest, whereas they're in the main part where everybody can see them. It's kind of like the city part of the forest, whereas she's in the deeper woods part where not a lot of people see her, and she's around a big river. Glow and Glisten are part of the minor characters, so I have one more to go, and that's actually based off of the lion's mane mushroom, which I've shown in a different video, and it's a completely different character to the pair that you're seeing right now. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos for more of my character reveals, and I'll see you in the next one.